Hello guys, and today I'm going to do a house tour of my house. So yeah, I'm just going to go in now. Can't get, oh, there. Okay, well, here's my bedroom. There's my bed, and here's my laptop. It's supposed to be this way. Then there's some pictures. If you're wondering how I did the pictures, I just used magnets off of the refrigerator. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go in my kitchen. Oh, there. Camera lighted focus lead. So yeah, here's the fridge. Here's the kitchen table. Kind of fail stove. Teal, you made the stove the wrong way. Wait, you didn't. Yeah, sometimes I just get messed up with that. And now for the bathroom. This is the toilet. Here's the bath. Here's the sink. And I just made it out of paper and then taped it to this box. So yeah, that's the end of my house tour. Don't worry, I'll put more rooms to this. I think I will. So yeah, bye.